Started off as a little 7 mile nigga, got my name up, then all these hoes came up. Then I thought to myself like, fuck that shit, I'm trying to stack my bread up, a nigga trying to get rich. Thinking to myself like, man, fuck being broke shit. So I got off my ass, now I'm selling dope, bitch. Now all these hoes wanna fuck the dope man dick. In my lifetime, I done been through so much shit. 16 going through hell and back, I swear like some bitch. Let a nigga try me, then he getting shot in this shit. Real nigga, I never switch, loyalty is over everything.
Fuck you thought? Remember being broke and I didn't have no cash, bitch. Now I hit the mall, grab it all and just cash it. I saw a Gucci bill, told myself I gotta have it. Bench and Gucci bill, I swear that's my motto. And every time I sell a bag, I'ma pop a bottle. And every time I pull a strag, I'ma pop a model.
Chris Rico on the track, yeah.
Cause nigga really live
I really do.
In the trap for a night, sipping dirty Sprite. Go.
Max out the polo. Bitch, I'm Chris Rico, been stunned since 9th grade, cause it's really ain't shit. I keep bands on me all time cause these hoes on my dick. Different polos every day, cause he really ain't shit. Hoes wanna choose when they see my fit. Y'all little niggas boss up and stop switching fists. And get off my dick, cause I stay crispy, bitch. My foes say Rico, all the hoes want me, bitch.
The bag touchdown, I'm about to get this bitch gone. Ain't no friends going on, you gotta give me what I want. Tryna run up with an O cause you broke. One phone call and them killers on their way. Try to play tough and you would get blew away. In the whip with cuz he about to take me to a play. 500's what I made and I was on a bad day. But you niggas broke, still getting off 7 grams. And y'all twice my age, ain't no comparison, bitch. I'm getting off cuties, y'all getting off nicks. Stuck your bag up, boy, quit them petty ass flip. Whipping out bands, got these hoes choosing. I remember in the middle school, bitches didn't give me no play. Now they heard I'm stacking, what up is what these hoes say. Yeah.